This is how America was built. This is the most American thing you could ever do. Today is what, the third day, and we have enough space for the doors, and yeah, we're just getting the hang of things.
And we have laid a good foundation out of concrete, which distributes the weight of the building even more, and it should do the trick.
You know, we're making progress. Since we have 4 guys, and now we got, what, 5? Yeah, 4. We had 5, one didn't work out, so now we're down to 4.
But I think there's still a lot of little details we have to iron out. But I do feel that the people that we have working are getting a little better.
You know, it's actually pretty good. Being that like none of us are like stonemasons, biggest concern is that the rock machine works.
As you go along in the process of cutting, once in a while one of those welds is breaking or the piece is breaking, and we got to replace it.
Things are slowing down. I thought they were supposed to speed up today. I think they just ran out of rocks. They ran out of rocks because they're not cutting enough rocks.
We want to make the biggest castle, the best tools company, and the best TV show. It's making sure you don't lose focus and trying to overcome as many problems as possible. So the biggest problem we have right now is how slow we're building. All right, so you pick up that side? Here. Okay? Yep. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
We got 2 layers of rock, and I think we're up 15 inches, and it's going to be 9.5 feet tall. So we got a ways to go. What is that? Is that 13% complete?
Watch out, watch out, watch out. If you fall, you're gonna hurt yourself a lot. Okay? The main thing you want to watch for is fingers. So the way to do it is through communication. Okay, so you go down first.
I go down first.
So one person goes down at a time. Okay?
Okay.
So now we push 1, okay? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Boom.
Okay. You can get your fingers right in there and just kind of...
Yeah. Okay.
Excellent.
Okay, but
I can do this all day.
Hey.
That's
Good?
pretty good.
All right, now we
Let's do
gotta...
another one.
Another one.
While
All
it's
right.
wet. We're picking up the pace, huh? Yeah?
You know, I like to lead by examples. I like to get my hands dirty, and it might not always be the right thing to do, because, you know, a lot of times when you see your boss or somebody actually doing work, you know, he could be doing other things that might be more important. But you know, my leadership style is to go in there and try to learn every detail myself, so I can actually give feedback and know when somebody's doing a good job or a bad job.
Yes, it's the first time that I use this machine. It's exciting to find out it has so many functions. I've seen it so many times on TV, people using it, and it looks so easy peasy. But once you do it for the first time, it's all about muscle memory. This is as American as it can be. Things are breaking down constantly. We have to improvise. We have to, minute by minute, hour by hour, find a solution for new issues.
There's gonna be all these hard days where you're gonna doubt yourself. You know, shit's not gonna look good, but you gotta keep the momentum going.
Hey, that's a nice toy, man. That's the first time that I tried it.
I think in the long term we're gonna win this race. You know, we might lose some battles along the way, but you know, the war we're gonna win, I'm sure.
Are we winning or losing the race against time?
Who is setting the time?
We're gonna go take this material because it's closer to where we are.
Got it.
And we're gonna build a road here.
I like the fact that they're dreaming big, and everything about this project is impossible. So, you know, if they fall short of their goals, I mean, they've still built more in 72 hours than I could have done in 7 freaking years. Just go like this. Act that shit. Sometimes the rock that fits best here is 50 yards away. So that 50 yards times 120 pounds and that labor going back and forth, you know, what is it? Mass equals force times distance. I totally made that up, but there's something in there about energy that, you know, it adds up. Kind of like playing Jenga, right?
Yes, yes. Okay.
He's gonna make a good castle.
I think, you know, mentally you have to calculate, you know, how much money you're spending, how much is going there, where, and, you know, you got to make sure that we don't lose sight of the big picture. We're using this like building style. We put in an old tile, old broken tile in between. These tiles are not super cheap, so we try to save money on them. And it makes it look kind of cool and rustic.
This beats CrossFit, you know? Just lay it right in there, huh?
Yeah, keep going, more. The mortar is called M-type. It's rated for earthquakes, 2,500 pounds per square inch. Originally I thought the walls were going to be 18 inches thick, and now they're going to be close to 30 inches. And it's going to be strong. You'll definitely be safe from any probably gunshots. I would probably even think like a 50 cal would not go through this, but I'm sure it could withstand majority of the things that you throw at it. Once cannons and gunfire was invented, all castles became obsolete, and actually most of them went to shit, meaning that they became vacant. And now when you travel throughout Europe, if you visit castles, you'll see a lot of them actually have been restored because they were vacant for like 100 years. So now there's a lot of castle restoration shows, but they're restoring a castle versus actually building one from scratch. And ideally we built something a lot better and stronger. Yes,
strong enough to withstand gunpowder, cannon fire?
I eventually, yes. We're gonna make the American castle, which will be impregnable.
Well, I'm particularly don't want to drink too much because tomorrow we're going to be back at the work site, and alcohol is nothing short of poison.
Tonight they're going to drink, they're going to hang out, they're going to enjoy Miami, and it's going to be a good fuel for their system, you know, that good morale, that good camaraderie. I think tonight actually they let their hair down. We have a few pops, see how they really feel.
We're gonna have one more, and then we're gonna have another one after that.
Smuggled Kurt's wine out of the club.
Whoa, rule breakers, let's go.
When they charge $27 a drink, you keep the
We are celebrating our
When they do the
achievement the last
montage.
3 days, including tomorrow, which I don't know what will bring. But there are a few drops left.
Okay, it's already
But
done.
this is good wine. Good wine, very smooth, very smooth.
Okay, bedtime. Hey guys, if you liked the video that you just saw, please give us a like or subscribe. We were told that we have to get to 1,000 subscribers for the show to be successful. We're not experts in YouTube or making shows or anything else, so any help is appreciated. If you can give us any suggestions or get in contact with us, please let us know. Also, Eric, he's been working really, really hard behind the scenes. He actually spends all this time like creating all these cool videos for you. He's all the hard work behind all these videos. So Eric, you got something you want to tell him?
New video comes out every Sunday at noon Pacific time, and that's 3 p.m. for you Floridians.
Yeah, thank you.